Hey guys, let's make some butterfly chicken drumsticks. We're gonna butterfly our chicken, season with some seasoning, and put it on our grill. And then we're gonna make our sauce, some onions, some jalapenos, habanero pepper, cilantro, crushed pepper, white pepper, black pepper. We blend that together and put that aside. Then we're gonna flip our chicken drumsticks, and then we're gonna put our seasoning, the sauce on it, and then we're gonna get a skillet, put some butter in it, and then our chicken came out absolutely fantastic.